Hello, my name's Elaine and welcome back to my stream series. This is episode 3 and in episode 3 I'm going to show you how you can record a video with the Stream mobile app. Absolutely brilliant. If you've used Flipgrid before, the recording features are very much like Flipgrid, so it's an absolutely fantastic tool. If you haven't seen it, check it out. So first of all, you need to download the app from your app store. I'm using the Android app for this demo because that's what I've got. So launch your app and then you'll see all the videos that are listed there within your Stream app. You can go across to your watch list and you can view what you've got in your watch list, or you can view your content. To create a new video, you need to click the plus up at the top and then go to create new video. The recorder will load. You can use either the back or the front camera, so I've just switched to the front so you can see me. And I tend to, if I'm doing it on a PC, switch to landscape orientation so that it fits better on a PC. Try and put your camera down so that you don't get camera wobble, and get comfortable and make sure you've adjusted your camera angle. Once you've done this, you're kind of ready to record. But wait, there's a whole load of tools that you might want to look at. So blackboard or whiteboard. Now, sometimes when I'm not feeling very camera ready, I like to put the blackboard on and then draw over it. I might put a picture on or something like that. But let's start off with the text. So I've got a bit of text on there now, and maybe we'd like to add an emoji. Now, I do like a good rainbow. You put your emoji on and you can move it with one finger and you resize with two. Simple as that. Once you've placed that, you can carry on and play with the tools as much as you like. You might want to add another image. You might want to create a whole story landscape with emojis. Be creative and have fun. Let's add a bit more text onto this now so we can finish off and get ready for a recording. Don't forget, you can use filters as well, and they can be quite fun if you want to use the pixel filter or anything like that. So now on to the recording of our video. We've got everything on there and we are good to go. So we press the record button and now we are recording. So you see there I'm recording, and basically I can pause whenever I want to. So if I pause the video, that's going to let me change things. I can delete that clip entirely if I want to get rid of it. But let's just say I want to pause and I want to change what I've got on my screen. So now I'm going to erase all content from my screen and start again. So I want my emoji back of my rainbow because I like that. So I'll position that back where I had that and I'm ready to go again. So if I hit the record button, I'm going to start to record another clip. Once I've recorded the next clip, I'll be able to go back and I'll be able to carry on to review what I've already recorded. Don't forget, if you don't want to continue with your recording, you can always discard it. So here we are at the review stage, looking at the different clips in our video. We can, if we want to, play through the video and listen to it back. And this is going to give us an idea of whether it's right or not. We can click onto individual clips, and if we want to, we can delete these. Or we can rearrange the video clips on the timeline by dragging and dropping them. We can go back and we can add any more clips that we want to, but when we're ready we can actually click next, and this is going to let us continue to upload our video to Stream. So the first thing we need to do is we need to give the Stream video a title, and this is going to help people to find our video in Microsoft Stream. Once we've added in the title, we also need to add in the description. Now the description can be fairly long, but you don't want to make it too long. Don't forget that you can add hashtags into your description, and this is going to enable searching within Stream. You can also pick a language. The language helps with the transcriptions in the Stream videos. So don't forget to do that in case it hasn't picked up your language automatically. So now we can go and have a look at the upload notice, and this is just going to tell us the terms of upload to Stream. And if we want to, we can click next. This is going to now take us onto share settings and the permissions. So we can share with the whole company, but in this instance I've chosen not to, and we're just going to save this as a draft. Going back to our content, clicking on the video is going to let us watch the video back. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.